dynamic audio. This is a DA-4000. Haven't seen any videos about this amp on YouTube or even on the website. It doesn't show, you know, how they look like or anything. But I got this one, and I already opened it, so I'm gonna do a quick opening of this thing. It's pretty big, but get right onto it. We got the owner's manual right here. And that's the owner's manual. That's for the 4000, the 7000. Do the specs real quick. Got the specs right there. It's the 4000 for the 7000. It says on 14 volts, but my friend says it does real good. It doesn't do 4000, it does way more than that. So we'll see how about that, you know, once I try it out. Let me see what else. And here we got the amp. Let's see if I can pull it out so I can show you. There you go, guys. It's a pretty big amp. DA-4K. Very nice amp. Let me show you guys how big this motherfucker is. And here all the way here is about 2.5 inches. What? No, it's clear. It's about 2 and 3 inches. That'll be good for like mounting and shit. See here, it's about 8.5 inches. About 2.5 inches tall. And these are the inputs of the amp. Dual power, 0 gauge, speaker layout and everything. Show you the other side. These are the settings on this side. You got all the controls you guys need, and it's strappable. So you can strap 2 of these, you know, for 8,000 watts or way more. My friend said he did like 13K or 13 something, and he strapped 2 of these, so they do pretty good. But overall, great amp, real nice. I'll post another video once I hook it up, and I'll show you guys what it does. Thank you guys.